Which of the following is a true statement about cloud computing? A says cloud computing is convenient to implement, but has a negative effect on the scalability of systems. So this is false because cloud computing allows you to manage what resources you need and can allow you to remove or add more resources as you need them. So cloud computing is actually a very scalable solution for to access computing resources. So A is incorrect. It is not a true statement. B says cloud computing is useful for large businesses, but is not useful for individuals. This is incorrect. Yes, businesses use cloud computing for their large computing and storage services, but individuals can also make use of cloud computing. For example, Google Drive allows people to access their files from anywhere using cloud computing. So individuals can still use cloud computing. It is useful for them. So B is not a true statement. C says storing data using cloud computing can help ensure that the data are not lost if a user's computer stops functioning. This is true if your data is stored on your computer and your computer stops functioning, you could lose your data. But if your data is stored using cloud computing solutions, something like Google Drive or Dropbox, then those servers where your data is stored, they have backups and ways to recover the data. So this can help ensure that your data is not lost because there are backups and recovery mechanisms that the cloud computing systems use. So C is likely correct, but let's check D first. D says storing data using cloud computing improves security over storing data on a personal computer. So this could be true in some cases, but this is not always true. Cloud computing is if you have your um, data stored on using cloud computing solutions, then you're still susceptible to phishing attacks, password breaches, and other types of hacks that are specifically targeted to the cloud computing servers. So you could still, there are still security risks associated with cloud computing, and there are security risks associated with storing data on your personal machine, your personal computer. So while in some cases security might be improved, this is not universally true. So D is not a true statement. It's sometimes true, it's sometimes not true. So, but C is always true. So C is the correct answer.